In 1971, this guy took the NBA all the way to the Supreme Court just for the right to play. And what happened next changed the landscape of basketball forever. This is Spencer Haywood, one of the most underrated trailblazers in sports history. He grew up dirt poor in Mississippi, where basketball became his escape. By high school, he moved to Detroit, where he averaged a quadruple double in his senior year. He then played a year at Trinidad State Junior College and was Player of the Year. That same year, he won a gold medal for Team USA and became the youngest American basketball player in Olympic history at 19. Then he transferred to the University of Detroit, where he averaged 32 points and 22 rebounds a game. But this is where the story gets interesting. After his sophomore year, he signs with the Denver Rockets in the ABA. In his first year, he's the MVP of the whole league. So then he signs a contract with the Seattle Supersonics. However, the NBA blocks it because of something called the 4-year rule, which meant you couldn't play in the NBA until 4 years after your high school graduation. But the whole reason Haywood went pro so fast was because 1, he was clearly good enough, and 2, his family needed the money. So he teamed up with Sonics owner Sam Schulman and sued the NBA, arguing that the rule was unfair and violated his right to make a living. That case went all the way to the Supreme Court, Haywood versus the NBA in 1971. And the courts ruled in Haywood's favor, forcing the NBA to change its policy. That decision created the hardship rule, which allowed players to enter early if they could prove financial hardship, and eventually opened the door for early entry and high schoolers going straight to the NBA. Without Spencer Haywood, neither Kobe or LeBron would have went straight to the league. The sad part is Spencer Haywood changed the NBA forever, and most people don't even know his name. And it's probably because the league saw him as a problem, not a pioneer. And even if the NBA doesn't talk about it, history will never forget Spencer Haywood.